Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamila and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'm making Palak chicken. When it comes to easy and healthy chicken recipe, Palak chicken is one of my favorite. A high protein meal, it combines the goodness of chicken and spinach. Plus, it tastes absolutely delicious. So here is how to make it. Let's begin. Bismillah. Heat 3 tablespoons mustard oil in a pan. Add 4 roughly chopped green chillies. Goes into finely chopped onions. Saute till it becomes golden brown. And next I'm adding 500 grams chicken with bones. Mix it up nicely. Add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for a few seconds. And next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Give this a very nice mix. And now close the lid and slow cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And now I'm adding 2 roughly chopped tomatoes. Mix it up nicely. Again I'm going to close the lid. Let this chicken cook for 5 minutes in a slow flame till tomatoes become mushy. And to this I'm adding 2 cups finely chopped spinach. Give this a very nice mix. And now I'm adding half cup water. Close the lid again and cook for 5 minutes in a medium-high heat till water absorbs. Once done, open the lid, add half of the lemon juice. Mix nicely. Cook this for a minute till oil separates. You can see the Palak chicken is ready to serve and I'm going to switch off the flame. You can also add cashew paste or fresh cream if you want to make it creamy and rich. So guys, Palak chicken is ready to serve. Serve hot with paratha or roti. You can also have this with dosa or appa. I encourage you to try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Do like and share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Till then, take care and have a nice day.